Hi, this is Jeff Davidson, Social Studies teacher at Clinton High School, and I'm here to introduce a tutorial on how you can use Google Documents or Google Docs in your daily lesson plans. If you haven't used it before, what you're going to have to do first is create a Gmail account. And as a matter of fact, anybody that you plan on sharing these documents with also has to have a Gmail account. So keep that in mind. If you have students that you plan on sharing these documents with, they will all need to establish or set up their own Gmail account. But what I'm going to do here is go to the Google search engine, and at the top I want to click on Gmail, and in the top corner here there's a link for creating an account. I'm going to hit it, and then you can just pretty much follow the step-by-step directions: name, username, password, etc. Get down here to the bottom and click next, and then just follow the steps. For now, I want to get back to the last page, and as you can see, I've already got a username and password, so I'm going to sign in. Once I've signed in, we still have the same bar at the top here. You want to go to the Documents tab. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage, and it'll look like this. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this and bring one up that I've already got prepared for the tutorial. Now, if you haven't used Google Docs, it allows you to create some of the same things that you could create in Microsoft Office, just maybe not in as much detail. The Create button here is on the left, and if you click it, it'll give you a list of things that, or a list of options. You can create documents that can be downloaded into Word. You can create presentations similar to PowerPoint. You can create spreadsheets similar to Excel. The Form button allows you to create tests or surveys. The Drawing tool allows you to create graphic organizers, or you can import or paste pictures. And the Table tool allows you to create graphs, charts, and other data. Now, if you've already got documents that are created, and you don't want to take the time to recreate them, this icon here is an upload tool. So you can upload a file that you already have into Google Docs and edit it from there. So for example, I've got a Bill of Rights PowerPoint that I've done that I uploaded into Google Docs. And the only issue that you might see with this is my original background did not look like this, so you're limited to the backgrounds that Google Docs offers. Some of your colors may be off or whatnot, but it still allows you to upload pretty much anything that you already have so that you can work with it. I'm going to get back to the home page here. Now what I'm going to show you is a toolbar up at the top here. So I'm going to click on one of my documents, and this first icon that'll pop up is a share icon. Like I said earlier, if you want to share your documents or your presentations or your spreadsheets with other people, they need to have a Gmail account. So what you will do is you can either create, I'm going to go down to the bottom here that says add people, and it'll give you the option of adding people manually, or you can go choose from contacts. So if you've got a contacts list, let's say you put all your students in your contacts, you can go to that and then just click on all your students and include them in your document. You can share your document with them. All right. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. This is who I'm sharing my document with. Done. And show you a couple other features. Now this feature right here allows you to organize some of these documents. So maybe I want to put all my presentations in one folder, all my documents in another folder, and so on and so on. You can either go to this folder and do that, or there's this little tab down here that says My Collections. So if I wanted to, I could click on all these and then drag it down here to My Collections and move 4 items, and as you can see right here, it says 4 items have been added to My Collections. Make sure you avoid this if you don't want to lose anything. This is your trash or delete button, and this icon right here gives you more options. You can share and do some other things. You can usually right-click and get the same thing as well. The icon right here, the sort icon, allows you to sort your various documents the way or organize them a little bit differently. You can see last modified, last one opened by me, and so on. And the settings document allows you to play around with your page. Right now I've got all my stuff compacted so I can see everything. If I change it to comfortable, you can see that it widens out a little bit. If I change it to cozy, well, actually it's not doing anything. But normally what you would see here is the page will switch based on how you do that. So this is an introduction into Google Docs and how it works. As you can see, you can upload or create just about anything you can do in Microsoft Office that can be shared with students in your classroom. So again, you can do tests, you can create graphic organizers that they can fill in. You can use it as a collaboration tool with students and parents while they're at home. You can post assignments, etc. It's almost like having your own personal wiki, just a little bit more elaborate, because students, teachers, parents, whoever that you share these documents with can retrieve these at any time and edit, add, or even delete stuff that is in there. So you might want to be careful with who you decide to share it with. The next tutorial is going to explain how to specifically use the Documents feature of Google Docs and some of the things that you can do with that. So for now, this is Jeff Davidson, Clinton High School, signing out.